Hello everyone, welcome to Cambridge A1 Mover speaking test. So, good morning.
Good morning.
What's your name?
My name is Nuha.
How old are you?
I'm 12 years old.
Okay, Nuha. So, in the part 1, there are two pictures. The pictures look same, but there are some differences. Can you find the differences?
Yes. In picture 1, there is a one ball in water, and picture 2, there is a one boat in water.
Okay.
And picture 1, there is a 5 fish, and picture 2, there is a 4 fish.
There are 5 fish and there are 4 fish. Okay.
In picture 1, there behind the
In front of the
two bottles.
in front of the rock.
Two bottles.
Two bottles.
In picture 2, there is a two bottles. There are two bottles behind the rock.
Okay.
And in picture 1, the girl is wearing a watch. In picture 2, the girl is don't wear a watch.
Not wearing a
Not
watch.
a wear a watch. In picture 1, there is a cloudy, and in picture 2 is sunny.
Okay, that's it. Thank you. Now moving to the part 2. This is a picture story. Here you can see four picture and you have to tell a story. Okay. So
There is a one girl. She reading a comic, and her behind a baby. In picture 2, a girl is reading a comic, and the baby is enjoying. In picture 3, the baby is enjoying the comic, and the girl is feeding two rabbits. In picture 4, the girl is laughing, and the baby is reading the comic, and the rabbit is seeing the comic.
okay, thank you. Now moving to the part 3. Here are some set of 4 pictures and you have to find the different one. So which one is different in the first line?
The book is different.
Why the book is different?
Because these 3 are fruits and this is book.
Okay. Now in the second line, which one is different?
This one is the different. No, this one is the different.
Okay, so the number 3 is different. Why?
Because everyone is watching TV and the other are dancing.
Other pictures, they are dancing. Okay, in the third line,
the dress is
the sweater is different, right? Because
these 3 are animals.
These 3 are animals. Which animals?
Panda, a rabbit, and kangaroo.
Okay. In this one, which one is different?
First one is the different.
Why? But see carefully. Which one is different?
The dress is different.
Yes, the second one is different because, like in the first one, the rat is under the bed. But third one, the pen is
under the bed, and the fourth one is
the socks under the bed. And in the
second one, the clothes are
on the bed. Okay, that's it. That's the end of part 3. Now moving to the part 4, I will be asking you some questions about your school. So, is your school far from your home?
No.
Okay. How do you go to school?
With rickshaw.
I go to school by rickshaw. Okay. What time do you go to school?
7:30 a.m.
7:30 a.m. Which one is your favorite subject?
English and maths is my favorite
English
subject.
And maths are my favorite subject. Okay. So, what do you do at the break time?
I play with my best friend and enjoy very much, and that's
Okay. So, do you like your school uniform?
Yes, I like.
School uniform. Okay. Who is your favorite teacher?
Aisha Miss is my favorite teacher.
Okay, that's nice. That's the end of your speaking test. Say hi to the audience.
Hi.